Alam nyo, hindi ko magets kung bakit galit na galit yung mga tao sa lalaki sa pusuan or laruan.
Sa ba tattoo mo?
I have one on my back.
Dito sa may bandang
Yep.
red flag.
Kasi as a man, no, kahit bading ako, I am also part of the system. You know, I am a registered officer of the Bureau of Female Assessment and Regulation. So, syempre, trabaho namin na mag-evaluate, no, mag-classify, mag-label. So, nung tinanong niya yung girl na, nasa ba yung tattoo mo? I said, correct. That is standard procedure. You know, kasi under Section 3 of the Male Assessment Act, all visible and non-visible tattoos needs to be declared. Kasi let's face it, you guys, hindi lang yan design. You know, that is data. That is evidence. That falls under category B. May kwento to, classification. You know, hindi pa kita kilala, pero kilala na kita. So nung sinabi niyang backshot,
Bakit? Ano ba sa point of view mo yung meaning nun?
Backshot.
honestly, that is a very valid follow-up. Kasi as officers of this bureau, no, we are tasked to connect the dots kahit wala namang dots. And also, let's not forget about the other contestant, no? Ang tanong niya is,
So, hindi ka okay na lalaki ang nagdo-dominate ng mundo?
No.
and you know what? Yes, no? Finally, someone said it. Kasi historically, no, men naman talaga yung nagdo-dominate ng world. Siyempre, no, kailangan namin i-confirm na you know na we are on top. You wanna be on top? Kaya siyempre, no, we need to proceed with the justification.
Halimbawa, yung mga gera nangyayari, lalaki ang gumagawa niyan, di ba?
Exactly, no? So kung kami yung gumagawa ng gera, you know that just shows experience. Kami yung may track record, no? Kami yung may portfolio. So logically, no, kami lang dapat yung mag-lead. Kasi sino ba yung mas qualified, no, na gumawa ng crisis kundi yung gumawa ng crisis rin to begin with? You know, that is not hypocrisy, no? That is end-to-end governance. Lalaking gagawa ng problema. Lalaki ang magsiset ng rules, lalaki ang magde-decide kung ano ang acceptable. Tapos, ang babae ang mag-a-adjust. Kaya huwag niyo kami i-judge, no? Kasi lalaki lang kami. Trabaho lang namin to, no? Nothing personal. Like and follow for more.